Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, June 1st. Today's Zen story is titled A Feather on the Wind. The market square hummed with motion. Merchants shouting, carts rattling, footsteps weaving through the dust. Kaito moved quickly, a sealed letter pressed against his chest. The governor was waiting. There was no time to waste. A gust of wind spiraled through the alley, lifting a white feather into the air. It wove between stalls, then rose, dipped, then settled on Kaito's path. His boot paused mid-step. An old vendor, stacking oranges, chuckled. Chasing it won't help. Kaito frowned. I wasn't chasing it. The vendor only smiled, tossing an orange from one hand to the other, waiting. Kaito kept moving, but his pace had slowed. The feather lifted again, swirling away, indifferent to urgency. The scent of roasted chestnuts drifted past. A flute played somewhere beyond the square. Kaito loosened his grip on the letter. The letter still needed to be delivered, but now he wondered if it truly had to be this very moment. He stood still, just for a breath, and watched the feather disappear into the sky. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive into stillness. You may gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. When was the last time something small made you pause? And what did it reveal? When was the last time something small made you pause? What did it reveal? What are you rushing toward? And what might happen if you slowed down? What are you rushing toward? And what might happen if you slowed down? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, I'm putting them and suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. I really encourage you to check it out and try some of the ones that speak to you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.